And then after using your email, you're officially in. Then you can just tap continue. You can allow notifications, and then basically it's a play that's like a play to earn community where brands and fans win together. So yeah, that's what it is. Then you can just join all these different brands. As you can see, a lot of like skin, a lot of cosmetics brands. I don't even know any of these. And then you can just explore this, and then you can earn these coins just for if you share the invite link in here, and then you just can earn the coins. So yeah, that's basically an idea in here. All of these brands you're having here. Then you have you can select a coin and then just generate a discount code. So the more you refer, the more you get in these coins, and you can exchange them. And then you earn in these collectibles, copy link, and then so that's basically the app. Quite interesting idea. I'm still exploring it. So basically is this kind of like a referrals app where you just join some brands, you try to get people to invite to these brands. When you invite people to community, you can also earn cashbacks in these coins when you're shopping. And then you're just getting a lot of like coins and some rewards when you're shopping with this app. You get in this digital coins, and then you just collect them, and then you can withdraw them. So pretty cool app. And then you can see all of this, your profile. Quite interesting idea. And this is your account. You can share your account, but that's what you have. You can, I don't know whether you can just get rewards just like that, but quite interesting app. Try it out.